Episode number 179. An admirable subject, cried the Jesuit. Admirable and dogmatic. Repeated the curate, who, about as strong as D'Artagnan with respect to Latin, carefully watched the Jesuit in order to keep step with him, and repeated his words like an echo. As to D'Artagnan, he remained perfectly insensible to the enthusiasm of the two men in black. Yes, admirable. Process admirable. Continued Aramis. But, which requires a profound study of both the scriptures and the fathers. Now, I have confessed to these learned ecclesiastics, and that in all humility, that the duties of mounting guard and the service of the king have caused me to neglect study a little. I should find myself, therefore, more at my ease, facilus natans, in a subject of my own choice, which would be to these hard theological questions what more than to metaphysics in philosophy. D'Artagnan began to be tired, and so did the curate. See what an exodium! Cried the Jesuit. Exodium, repeated the curate, for the sake of saying something. Quem ad modum intersilorum incitatum. Aramis cast a glance upon D'Artagnan to see what effect all this produced, and found his friend gaping enough to split his jaws. Let us speak French, my father, said it to the Jesuit. Monsieur D'Artagnan will enjoy a conversation better. Yes, replied D'Artagnan. I am fatigued with reading, and all this Latin confuses me. Certainly, replied the Jesuit, a little put out, while the curate, greatly delighted, turned upon D'Artagnan a look full of gratitude. Well, let us see what is to be derived from this gloss. Moses, the servant of God, he was but a servant. Please to understand Moses blessed with the hands. He held out both his arms, while the Hebrews beat their enemies, and then he blessed them with his two hands. Besides, what does the gospel say? Imponite manus, and not manium place the hands, not the hand. Place the hands, repeated the curate, with a gesture. Saint Peter, on the contrary, of whom the popes are the successors, continued the Jesuit. Porage digitos present the fingers. Are you there, now? Certes, replied Aramis, in a pleased tone, but the thing is subtle. The fingers, resumed the Jesuit. Saint Peter blessed with the fingers. The Pope, therefore blesses with the fingers. And with how many fingers does he bless? With 3 fingers, to be sure, one for the Father, one for the Son, and one for the Holy Ghost. All crossed themselves. D'Artagnan thought it was proper to follow this example. The Pope is the successor of Saint Peter, and represents the 3 divine powers, the restored in the inferiors of the ecclesiastical hierarchy bless in the name of the holy archangels and angels. The most humble clerks, such as deacons and sacristans, bless with holy water sprinklers, which resemble an infinite number of blessing fingers. There is the subject simplified. Argumentum omnidem iudatum ornamento. I could make of that subject 2 volumes the size of this, continued the Jesuit, and in his enthusiasm he struck a St. Chrysostom in folio, which made the table bend beneath its weight.